Greetings, tech enthusiasts! Join us on SmartFox as we dive into the realm of useful devices and clever innovations. The next-generation BioLite Camp Stove 2+ wood burner with light and built-in battery is in front of you. This incredibly cool gizmo also generates electricity to charge cell phones, flashlights, and other outdoor gadgets. The burner works smoke-free to cook food or boil water in minutes. Easy to install, does not require a large amount of fuel. BioLite Camp produces a hyper-efficient flame and is as powerful as gas burners. Let's mention a multifunctional tool from Puna that was inspired by the AR-15, designed for modern everyday life. The device combines perfectly a scalpel blade, bottle opener, screwdriver, and hex key, all in one unique and compact tool. It also has a waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof case that provides protection when the device is not in use. But that's not all. The tool also has 5 carbon steel blades, so it's always ready to use. The Chasing Dory underwater drone will be appreciated by real connoisseurs of river and sea travel, fishermen, and just those who like to observe the underwater world in real time. It is the smallest, smartest, and quite affordable underwater drone from Chasing Innovation. Its hydrodynamic design combines all the important features in a compact, sleek body. The drone is capable of underwater photography at depths of up to 15 meters. It can dive to a specified depth, tilt, turn, hover in the water, and rise to the surface of the water. The Dory has a battery life of 1 hour and takes 2 hours to charge. For video recording, there is a camera that shoots in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. There are also 2 250 lumen LEDs for backlighting. The underwater drone is equipped with a floating Wi-Fi module, which is connected to the device with a 15-meter cable. The device is controlled using the proprietary smartphone app Chasing Dory, which is supported on both Android and iOS. This 1000 lumens rechargeable flashlight combines high efficiency, significant power output, and XHP 70.2 LED chip to provide bright light up to 1,000 feet away. The high-lumen device boasts 5 adjustable light modes: high, medium, low, SOS mode, strobe. The powerful flashlight can fulfill all your lighting needs, as it is equipped with a 5,000 capacity battery. According to some tests, the flash can last up to 3 hours in high mode and up to 12 hours in low mode. Plus, the device can serve as an emergency battery to charge your camera, phone, laptop while traveling. Its case is made of military-grade aluminum alloy and is shockproof, withstanding a 10-foot drop. The LED flashlight is suitable for camping, running, hiking, climbing, hunting, fishing, and other outdoor activities. The 2-in-1 propane-powered pump system called the Hike Crew heats and delivers water for showering, dishwashing, hand washing, and other rinsing tasks inside and outside the home. Includes water heater, hose, and pump plug, gas regulator, faucet mount, shower head, power adapters, and carrying case. The simple water temperature control knob and powerful adjustable shower head provide reliable comfort and versatility for bathing outdoors and away from home. The efficient system simplifies pumping and heating in any environment with an AC/DC adapter for wall outlet or generator. This unit is ideal for camping, fishing, hiking, hunting, etc. And the new built-in battery provides up to 50 minutes of continuous use. You've definitely never seen a battery-powered fan like this before. The Venti 4-speed rechargeable fan is foldable, durable, retractable, portable, and elegant at the same time. It's hard to believe, but the device can oscillate 120 degrees, rotate 180 degrees, and weighs only 2.6 pounds. Where to use it? When traveling, at work, at home, or as a camping helper. That's because the Venti with the wireless connectivity will keep you cool wherever you go. When fully charged, it can run uninterrupted for up to 48 hours. Its massive 16,000 mAh battery also allows you to charge phones and other devices via USB and USB-C inputs. With the new Venti, you can quickly give your room a rich and beautiful ambiance with a warm 3-tiered white light. Use the detachable remote control to adjust the fan speed, oscillation, and turn the lights on and off. Create your own warm and inviting space. Want to create quality content at home, on walks, and on the go? Use the lightweight and functional Home iSteady XE smartphone stabilizer. The compact accessory will help you avoid defects when creating handheld recordings, and also provides you with access to various shooting templates in the proprietary app. In addition, its lightweight and compact size allows you to take it with you at all times by simply placing it in your purse or backpack. The Mercado Atlas 150 manual noodle cutter allows you to roll out dough without any problems and quickly prepare different types of pasta and lasagna sheets. The machine is made of chrome-plated steel, has a simple and well-thought-out design, so it will serve you for a long time. It rolls out the dough as thinly, evenly, and accurately as possible, so with the right selections of ingredients with it, you can get the perfect handmade Italian pasta. The technique is perfect for home use, as well as for small family restaurants and cafes. The rollers of the noodle cutter are made of special aluminum alloy designed for food products. They do not oxidize in contact with water. And thanks to a special clutch, the machine can be used not only as a manual mode, but also with the Mercado Pasta Drive electric motor. This will increase productivity and reduce cooking time. What would you say to the fact that you no longer have to collect bags into one big bag for storage? For this purpose, there is now a new Utopia kitchen food bag holder and dispenser. It's a so lightweight stainless steel bag wall mount. The device will conveniently and economically save you from kitchen clutter. The stainless material is fingerprint resistant, so even after years of use, Utopia will remain clean and shiny as when you first bought it. The device can be effortlessly hung on any wall or inside a cabinet with the included screws, so you won't have any problems with installation. By the way, one such grocery bag compartment allows you to store up to 18 unit bags at a time. This simple storage system will help you protect your health by being environmentally friendly. Compared to cheap silicone scrubbers that claim to be hygienic, SudScrub is the only silicone shower brush with silver added. It is proven to resist 99.99% of odor-causing bacteria that breathes on its surface. It is also resistant to mold and mildew. The silicone scrubber, equipped with gentle but effective cleaning ribs, exfoliates and massages the skin to remove trapped oil and dead skin, leaving skin softer and healthier. SudScrub is 100% plastic-free and recyclable. Also, it features an ergonomic handle strap and a textured handle to keep it securely in your hand while taking a water treatment. You see a concise home portable electric clothes dryer, which is suitable for wet, cold, and rainy weather. It will help you to dry, disinfect clothes and various textiles. The new design dryer at the top of the rack allows you to dry more clothes at the same time. You can hang 2.2 pounds of clothes, which is pretty solid. In the middle of the second layer of the drying rack, you can dry smaller items. With up to 1,000 watts of power, the dryer is fairly quiet, and it is completely safe. There is a filter sponge on the air intake that will prevent any odors from your clothes. The dryer has a safe design, and the built-in dual temperature control device provides an additional safety feature. If the temperature exceeds 185 degrees Fahrenheit, the equipment will automatically shut off to wait for it to cool down before it can load. Setting up a home workshop is getting easier and easier. We already have budget 3D printers and milling machines at our disposal, and Cubo offers a very compact, safe, and stylish laser engraver. It is extremely easy to use, can be controlled from a smartphone, engraves in any direction, and works right out of the box. It's ideal for cardboard, leather, fabric, wood, and acrylic. Furthermore, it's suitable for everything except metal. This stylish device weighs only 150 grams, consumes up to 800 megawatts, can engrave with a resolution in the range of 152 to 254 dpi and is powered by micro USB. Have you thought about how great it would be to create a fence for your home's driveway? No question. With KidCusion, you'll have the best device to set boundaries for your kids and be able to regulate traffic in the neighborhood. This retractable netting is 36 inches tall and attaches to the ground with 2 ground arms. Plus, it easily folds up and tucks back into a special container for easy storage. But you must remember that this product is still not intended for use in swimming pools and is not a safety barrier. Therefore, adults should still keep a close eye on small children, if there are any in the house. As for the net itself, it is made of durable polypropylene and is resistant to various atmospheric influences. The new Samsung Freestyle looks great thanks to its cylindrical shape and adjustable stand. This has both a decorative and practical function, as it allows you to place the projector at an angle from 90 to 180 degrees. The image quality is excellent, and all pictures are clear and detailed. And considering the compact size of the projector, the new sound of the built-in speaker system is incredibly pleasing. You see the ShiftCam Pro Grip Starter Kit, a DSLR-style battery grip. The ergonomic device provides the balance and stability normally found only with a DSLR camera, bridging the gap between camera and mobile photography. The 15-watt key-fast wireless charging allows you to shoot all day long. On the plus side, the wireless shutter button integrates perfectly with your phone's camera app without the need for any additional software. Use the ShiftCam Pro Grip as a desktop stand to view your shots and footage. The device works with ShiftCam Pro lenses and has a 1/4-inch tripod mount and connector for added flexibility when adding LED lights, microphones, and more. The D3 Lial fulfills all the requirements of the best Bluetooth magnetic speaker that many consumers want. It is portable, durable, easy to use, and offers users an unrivaled listening experience. The speaker has 9 built-in magnets that can be attached to any metal surface. Despite its rather compact size, the device can play sound for 8 hours, and it only takes 1.5 hours to fully charge, which can fulfill all your daily needs. And for example, the 2 Lial speakers can be synchronized together to create a surround sound system, the volume of which can be adjusted via the user's Bluetooth phone or computer volume control. You see a powerful and truly multifunctional tool for your kitchen. This double-sided cutting board, as well as a universal food tray with a plate for fast thawing of food, which comes with a special knife sharpener. You can use it to handle meat, fish, and fresh vegetables at the same time without worrying about your safety and hygiene. This cutting board is ideal for chopping and cutting food in the kitchen, and the sharpener design will always keep your working kitchen tools safely in place. The board material is non-sticky on both sides, and it cleans easily with water to keep it clean. The tool can be stored in the kitchen in a hanging state, which also adds pluses to its use. Not sure what to keep your dog busy while walking in your backyard? With the original Swift Paws home remote control toy, your pet will no longer have to be sad or distract you from important tasks or rest. This motorized fishing line dog chase toy gives the necessary mental and physical development to your pet. It also features built-in safety features, is great for all skill levels, and requires no special training. Just let your dog's instinct to chase go. Running at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, Swift Paws allows you to have fun with your dog while helping them stay physically and mentally fit. The jogging machine can create distances up to 300 feet long and is remotely controlled. Each interactive session lasts 90 seconds, the perfect amount of time for active play, and the toy runs for a total of 10 minutes without recharging. That's over 5 play sessions on a single charge.
So, if you're into that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Don't miss out on the latest reviews and tech updates. Let's explore the world of gadgets together. This is Smart Fox signing off. See you soon for more techie adventures.